Hello, I'm Frans Boonzaier. I'm an audit partner at PKF Constantia Valley. I'm also on the South African Exco Committee. Specifically post-COVID, we realized that there's a need for assisting overseas firms and getting their audits done, and it's almost on a subcontracting type of way, but from our side, where we bring the edges, where we actually train our staff also, in South Africa, overseeing them. What then followed is that, the staff started doing these audits and doing it remotely, and then being exposed to different industries, how it works in a different country. And then, what happened thereafter is obviously everyone is coming back to the office again. And they want the people there. And so we've been sending staff, the last 2-3 years consistently, on either a month basis, 2-3 months basis, to really go and sit in those offices, but experience the culture, experience, the work ethic, and just, from a quality perspective and also just a technical perspective, what other countries has got to offer, but also bringing our South African experience to the table. We've had really good positive feedback where these foreign firms are actually implementing some of our working papers in their files.